Hi and welcome back. Let's learn how to perfectly customize Roblox skin color on your Mac and Windows PC. Customizing your avatar is one of the most fun parts of playing Roblox. The platform allows players to personalize their characters with different outfits, accessories, hairstyles, and skin tones to create a pretty unique identity in the game. So, if you're using a Mac or Windows PC, changing your avatar skin color is a quick and simple process that can be done directly from the avatar editor. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So first you have to launch the Roblox app on your Mac or Windows PC. And then you have to click on your avatar located in the left sidebar. After that, you have to hit the tiny settings icon right under your profile. Then you have to choose skin color option in the drop-down menu. After that, you have to choose the preferred skin color. And for a more personalized experience, you can drag the slider left or right to perfectly fine-tune the skin color. And that's pretty much it. Changing your avatar skin color in Roblox is a simple customization, but it can make your character feel more personal and unique. Since Roblox offers multiple skin tone options, you can easily experiment with different looks until you find the one that suits your avatar best. So, if you ever want to update your character again, simply return to the same avatar editor and make the desired adjustments to your heart's liking. And that's about it. Now that you have unlocked this pretty cool feature, make the most of it to spice up your gaming time, and I'll catch you up in the next one.